What's up, Jas.N.De Mob? This your girl D. As you can see, I'm just waking up. I'm coming off my 24-hour shift, so it's actually 6:30. I get off at 7:30. So I'm about to bring you along today to see how my morning works when Jas is not around. I'm actually about to get up and do my morning duties and then get a workout in, get dressed, all that good stuff. I'm gonna bring you along, and I gotta get myself together because I look like I just got into a fight. Okay. Stay tuned, y'all.
What's up, Jas.N.De Mob? It's your girl Jazz, and welcome back to the channel. So obviously this morning you see that I am by myself. So I'm gonna bring you guys along today to show you how things work when me and Bae are not together. Remember, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn that post notification bell on so every time we upload a banger to the channel, you guys will be notified. Today's gonna be a lit day. Stay tuned.
Alright, so I gotta put the dishes away from dinner last night.
So this is what I do. It's what I do. Told you I was gonna bring y'all along today. I got my girl in here. We getting that work.
Now it's time for me to clear out my bunk for the next person. Alright, so next we have to clear our gear from the compartment in the squad. So that's what I'm about to work on.
Now you on 3. Good. Big step. Good. Basket. Hold that follow through. Hey! That's all right, baby. My girl.
Next thing on my list to do before I get dressed, you guys, is a workout. So
Alright, you guys, so I'm in the car headed to Chattanooga, Tennessee to go meet Jazz. This is kind of like our meetup. It's our halfway point, so I'm so excited to see her. I got about an hour and a half drive, so I'm so excited. I miss her so much.
I'm waiting to see my baby. Oh, I missed her little bright, pea-headed ass. Can't wait to see her.
you guys, so I'm finally at our meetup starting chat. This weekend we're staying at a loft. Normally we stay at the West End, but this weekend we decided to stay at the loft. So let's do our room tour. Okay, so here is coming from the door. You have a nice full-length mirror. Then we go here, and we have the glass shower. It's really spacious. I'll open up in just a second. You have the mirror, vanity. And the thing that I like about their mirror is they have like the LED lighting. It's really good for like makeup if you like to wear makeup or whatever. I don't, but I like to put my lashes on, so it's nice. Okay. Then you have the restroom, toilet, and then you have this door is a sliding door, so it slides. I don't know if you can see, but it slides. And then so I'll open up the shower for you. It's a really big, spacious shower. Definitely enough room for 2 people, you know. And then, of course, you have all your extra towels and things there at the bottom. So let's get into outfit check. Let's get into the bed area. So you have this cute little couch, TV, nice TV, and the beds are so comfortable, you guys. So comfortable. It's hard to get up. Well, that is the end of the room tour. Alright, so what's up, you guys? As you can see earlier, you followed us throughout our day. You can see our journey. It's time to reveal that we are actually in a long-distance relationship. So I live in Atlanta, and Decatur, because you know I'm ready to say Decatur's not Atlanta, so whatever. You know what I'm saying? And she lives in Clarksville, Tennessee, which is right outside of Nashville. I think we're about 4.5, 5 hours apart. So we see each other every single weekend. Well, we try to see each other every single weekend. This weekend I was on shift on Saturday, and so we had to kind of meet up on Sunday. We got us a room, as you saw, and now we having dinner. So we are actually at Jimmy Nick's. I'm having a baked potato, so she tried to be like me all the time.
I ordered my food first.
Because
I ordered my food.
I was trying to set up the camera, but okay, whatever.
Anyway.
You never even been here. I'm the one that told her about this place.
She
Anyway.
All right, babe. She brought me here.
Give me.
my credit for too long.
Alright.
Alright, so anyway, okay, so we having a barbecue baked potato, and you know how little Jack and Coke, you know what I'm saying? Trying to
Little razzle.
trying to see what I can get tonight. Anyway, so
Take a drink of that.
so we kind of want to let you guys know how we're really good. Yes, thank you. We want to let you guys know how a long distance relationship works.
Alright, y'all. And before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And listen, turn your post notification bell on so you will be notified every time we drop a what banger.
That's right.
Alright, so
Listen, y'all, I've been dying to take a bite of this.
no, I'm trying to talk to y'all, and she ready to eat. But if I start eating, then I'm not gonna talk. So I'm gonna talk to y'all first. So about a long distance. Okay.
Sorry, y'all. Go ahead.
So, the things about a long distance relationship that I think you guys should really know is the number one key is, of course, communication. If you are not communicating with your spouse, then we definitely have issues.
Then what are you doing? Listen, you're going to have friends, you're going to have family, you're going to have people around you. Oh, you talk to this person all the time, that's all you do, that's all you do. We hear that shit. We hear that all the time. Day in, day out. All y'all do is talk to each other. We don't live in the same state, so the only time we see each other is Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. It kind of just depends on my work schedule now. And
they don't consider that part.
They don't remember that part. Only you know that part and your partner. So, listen, if you love somebody, communicate with them. That is so important. In long distance, you have to. Another thing I think we need to bring up is trust issues.
Definitely. Hey, that's number two.
Yeah,
that's number
that's
two.
really number one.
Yeah.
Because when you guys first get together, the first thing you're going to talk about, or first thing you're going to have is trust issues. Because this person is so far from you, you can't just pull up and see them when you want to. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you can, but
that's a long way.
Adult and you're working,
4.5 hours that's a long time.
Exactly. So, trust issues. Me and Jazz both had it. You know what I'm saying? We both, and sometimes I still have them. But it's okay. That's normal. That's life. That's human nature.
Yeah, absolutely.
So, you know what I'm saying? I think that really needs to be brought up, but that's okay. You know what I'm saying? You and your partner need to know that is normal. Trust issues are normal. People get online and they create this fake facade about how, oh, this ain't normal, that's not normal, I'm gonna let you go if you do this. This shit's normal. We live in two different states, so far away. Okay, if I don't talk to you in a few hours, yeah, I'm gonna wonder what you're doing. Like, what you got going on? You know what I'm saying? So,
don't not answer that phone.
Okay.
don't not answer.
Relate.
Hey,
that's number 3.
I think that being in a long distance relationship, you still have to like make time for each other as far as going on dates. When you meet up, you gotta do things that you can't just sit in the house or, just like obviously you guys see that I do train, so she's sitting in the gym with me for hours. So outside of that, we still have to make time for each other by going on dates. So going out to eat or going to the movies or something fun that we like to do. So I think you always still have to date each other, even though you're in that perspective of the relationship.
Definitely, you gotta date me, okay? I'm gonna need to take me out, okay? Show me all.
Don't say it like
all right, dude, show me, okay?
Hey,
they already know that's around you.
That's all me.
That's me. Duh.
I said what I said. Alright, just like that. Alright, so
it's number 4, you guys. Let's think. Alright, so I just wanted to let you guys know this is kind of like an on-the-spot type video. We ain't really like come up with no plan or nothing like that. So
we're just talking to y'all.
We just here. We just like real talk.
It's raw.
Like,
it's raw
talk. Number 4, after spending time with each other, is get to know your person.
Hey.
I'm telling you, like, that would help so much because, I mean, you do have some people that don't like talking on the phone all day. You know what I'm saying? Maybe they want to, you know what I'm saying, not talk on the phone, listen to their music. They don't mean they're doing nothing. That just means they don't listen to their music, and that's fine. You know what I'm saying? Get to know your person.
That is the part of getting to know your person.
Like, that is so, listen. That is so true. Like, people want to date each other, and they want to be boyfriend and girlfriend after a week.
No.
It don't work like that, man.
You gotta take some time. You gotta take some time. Because you don't really know a person until you take time.
Like, you gotta take time.
Until you see a person in what we say, like all their different seasons. You see a person when they up, you see a person when they down, you see a person when they when they sad, when they don't have it, when they do have it. You know what I'm saying? People are different at all different times. So if you don't learn all those aspects of a person, you don't really know that person. So a lot of y'all don't know, you know what I'm saying? People think that me and her got together and we just got together. Like, we were not together for almost, it was exactly probably like six months that we took time to actually like really get to know each other before we say, all right, you know, let's make this thing official and let's really like let's do it for real. You know what I'm saying? Let's become one. Let's do it. So remember, like, yeah, definitely you got to get to know your partner. That's definitely
Yeah. Like you said, we took about 6 months to get to know each other before we actually like got together for real. I ain't gonna lie, man. We flirted for about 2 years.
Don't
say. Yeah, I'm saying that. And that might step on some toes, but it is what it is. It's true.
Hey,
We flirted on and off for about 2 years. You know what I'm saying? And it wasn't nothing like over the phone. It was really over Instagram. You know what I
it was
mean?
definitely amazing.
And then finally, like we had got lost contact for a while. And then I finally was like, what was that girl's name?
So,
And then
tell me what
I
happened.
shot.
Tell me what happened.
You wanna know what happened? Y'all wanna know what happened?
I think we should tell them. I think we should go ahead and tell them. And then, I think we should tell them.
Alright, I guess I'll tell you. So one day, you know what I'm saying, we had lost contact for a minute. I'm talking about
It was probably
it
2
was a
years.
long time. Yeah, we lost contact for a long time. It wasn't even, I don't think it was 2 years. It was like
Maybe like a year.
probably like a year.
Okay.
I say like a year. We lost contact. And literally, I was riding down the street, y'all. I'm talking about riding my car down the street, and all of a sudden, out of nowhere, something said, "What happened to that girl on Instagram?" I'm like, "What was her name?" Like I was thinking, like, "What was her name?" It was like something to do with shoes. Like I don't know. So I started searching on my phone. I typed in "soul," and guess who popped up? So fit.
Voila.
I hopped in. So I hopped in DMs so fast, y'all. Listen, I was like, I'm about to shoot my shot. And then, like, she curved me a few times. Let's go. Like, I'm confident, so I wasn't tripping. Like, it is what it is. So I kept trying. But now we're here right now.
You initially curved me.
Let's go.
You initially curved me, which is why I was kind of like, I'm crushing on her, but I'm gonna make her feel how I felt when she was curving me. So initially, she didn't write me back either, and I was trying to like let her know, damn, hey, and she was just kind of leaving me on red, like I was just like a scrub or something. So I'm like, dang, like I'm not a lame, you know what I'm saying? So you tell them. That's how that happened. That's how that.
But I think it was out of respect for my previous relationship. Okay. That's all that was. It wasn't like I was curving her. I was actually attracted. But you know what I'm saying? When you be with somebody, like, even if you're not happy, well, I don't know about nobody else. I still return respect. That's just me. You know what I'm saying? So
I gotta give you that. I give you that. Respect. Yeah.
So yeah. So
I'm not disrespectful either. So let's not say like I'm disrespectful. That's how I kind of came.
Yeah, no.
Let me put that out there. I'm not.
No.
Disclaimer.
So anyway, I hopped in DMs and
now we here.
You know what I'm saying? So we got to know each other and we actually took a trip, you know what I'm saying? Like the first 2 or 3 months of us dating, we took a trip. We'll talk about that in another episode. Stay tuned, you guys. Go watch that. That means you guys subscribe. Push the button. You already watching. Stop being
You already
nosy.
watching.
Go ahead and subscribe.
Hit the button. And then touch your
and
post
it's free.
notification.
Like you ain't even got to pay.
Tell them again. Say that part right there.
That shit's free. You ain't got to cost you nothing. So go ahead and subscribe.
It's right above this.
If y'all want to know for real. But like I said, man, we took time. We took a little trip. We got to go and it was
a nice trip.
Yeah.
It was a nice trip.
We stuck our toes on that trip, okay?
Feelings was hurt.
Yeah. Some feelings was hurt.
Yeah, sometimes you gotta put yourself first. You gotta do what you want to do. If something makes you happy, be happy.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's for everybody watching. Just remember that, like, if what makes you happy, be happy. Don't let people tell you that you're selfish or making a move for yourself. Be happy.
Yeah. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, tell your folks, tell your family. Become part of the family.
Tell your auntie too.
We love y'all.
All right, peace.